Hello everyone, welcome back to Ramya Tech YouTube channel. So today I want to share an excellent opportunity for students who are looking to build strong career skills and gain real world experience. This internship is officially listed on the AICTE National Internship Portal, which is a government run platform designed to help students across India and find verified and meaningful internships. And the best part is that it is a trusted portal by AICT under the Ministry of Education, so the opportunities listed here are genuine and safe to apply for the internships. So the internship I am talking about today is titled as Data Analytics with AI, offered by the Reconnect Skills. This is a virtual internship, which means students from anywhere in India can apply and complete the internship from your home. The internship starts immediately and comes within a duration of 6 months, giving you enough time to learn practical skills, working on real tasks, and build a strong profile. One of the big benefits of this internship is monthly stipend of 5,000 rupees. Along with the stipend, students will also receive a 10 academic credits, so which is extremely useful for the academic requirements. Getting both credits and industry exposure at the same time is a rare advantage that not many programs offer. During these internships, students will work on the fundamentals of data analytics and artificial intelligence. You will gain experience in handling data sets, cleaning and preparing data, analyzing data for patterns, and understanding how AI tools can be used to make predictions. And these are highly in demand skills, guys. In current job market, AI is evolving everywhere, and having hands-on experience in these areas gives you a strong advantage when applying for future internships and jobs. And the eligibility for this internship is very flexible. Students from various backgrounds can apply as long as they are willing to commit to the full duration. Since the internship is online, it is easy to manage alongside your college schedule. So there are many reasons why this internship is worth applying for. So first one is it provides real experience and a government recognized certificate, and also it provides academic credits and a good stipend. It also helps you to build a practical skills in two of the fast growing fields today. So data analytics and artificial intelligence, whether you are from a technical or non-technical background, learning these skills will definitely strengthen your resume. So, however, before applying, it is important to stay aware of scams. AICT does not charge any money for internships. If anyone asks you to pay, that is a red flag, guys. Always apply only through the official AICT portals to stay safe. Applying for this internship is simple. So first visit the link that I have given below the description. So check the description for the link. So register as a student. So complete your profile. So if you don't know how to register and complete your profile, already I made a video. So go and check it out in my channel and then search for the internship. So and I will give the internship link in the description, and I will give the link of the video. So how to register for this internship, or else how to register in this AICT portal. So don't worry. So once you click on the internship link that I have given below. So just click on apply and submit your details. Okay. So overall, this is a wonderful opportunity for students who want to gain industry exposure, earn a stipend, and learn some of the most valuable skills in the today's world. If you are serious about building your career, I highly recommend exploring internships like this through the AICT. Guys, when last time when I made a video on the internship from the AICT portal, some of the students commented as sister, we are not getting any response from the companies after we apply. So guys, don't worry. You can see here one of the application is shortlisted, so one is rejected and one is called for the interview, and here you can see called for interview, shortlisted, interview accepted. So selections are purely based on your profile and resume, and they will select based on the requirements. So maintain good profile and ATS friendly resume to get more opportunity. So I showed the proof that AICT portal is a trusted one. So apply as many as jobs or internships are possible. And so this is the video for today. Meet you in the next video. So comment down if you have any doubts, and guys comment what type of content or opportunity that you want, and bye.